Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to find friends on Bigo Live. So if you also want to find friends on Bigo Live, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bigo Live application. You can see over here, Bigo Live application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to find the friends, what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen right next to the notification icon. Now over here, you'll have to search for the username or ID or live title. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now enter the username or ID or live title. Now you can see over here the profiles will appear. You can open the profile if you want. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for follow. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you just follow that person. So that is how you find friends on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.